is in big trouble. The Ford Maverick is here, and I'm gonna shotgun this beer. Woo! You see that? Let's talk about it. Ford Maverick just rolls right off your tongue. So you just bought a Ford Maverick. Congratulations. You just bought a $25,000 drivable billboard to tell the entire world you have no taste. Driving a Ford Maverick is like vaping at a dive bar while everyone else is smoking Marlboros and drinking Busch Light. Ford Maverick is one of the ugliest pickup trucks on the market, right up there with the Suzuki Equator and the Honda Ridgeline. If Honda Ridgeline is a Honda Pilot with a pickup bed, then Ford Maverick is a Ford Escape with a pickup bed. Now, you might be asking yourself, why a humble and jolly riverman like myself is hating on the Ford Maverick so much? Oh, riverman, it's an economical and fuel-efficient pickup truck. Well, I'm glad you asked, because I need to educate you on what a pickup truck is. So this here is what a riverman likes to call a chart. So traditionally, pickup trucks are body on frame, unlike the Ford Maverick, which is unibody. Good luck trying to take the bed off your Ford Maverick. Ford Maverick being unibody is closer to being a minivan than an actual truck. And the only people driving minivans are soccer moms with a platoon of kids or her husband that has no self-respect because he sold his Charger for it. Now the whole unibody platform is the same strain of disease from the dying tree that brought us Ford Escape and the fan favorite Ford Bronco Sport, which deserves a video of its own. Now pickup trucks usually have bigger motors, ranging from V6, inline 6, V8, V10, and more. Then you got cars like the Maverick, which have a 4-banger turbo and a 4-banger hybrid. Much like how you're banging your Xbox controller against the wall rage quitting on Call of Duty, while your wife is out banging her work husband Todd, who drives a lifted Cummins. And as for towing capacity, trucks can tow the world, depending on what size of truck you get. But if you buy the Ford Maverick, well, don't. Because you won't even be able to tow the amount of shame you accrue from driving this stain for the next 6 to 8 years. If you finance this thing, I am sincerely sorry for you because you went to a car dealership where there are millions of other options and used your credit to buy a damn Ford Maverick. Now, Ford has been trying to jam the 3.5 EcoBoost down our throat for years. And we've been gagging on broken turbos and carbon buildup, oil leaks, you name it. And then finally, when a platform comes out like Ford Maverick, which the 3.5 EcoBoost would be perfect for, much like dear old dad, 3.5 EcoBoost, nowhere to be found. He said he was buying milk! Now you might be saying, well, Riverman, gas is $5 a gallon, and we can get 40 miles a gallon on Ford Maverick. You know what doesn't cost money? Walking. Walking is free, and you won't have to be driving something that's gonna have a worse legacy than the Ford Pinto. I mean, at least Ford did something cool with the Pinto and it burst into flames when it got nailed. All right, drivers, Old Riverman's gonna rate the Ford Maverick 1 Ford Escape out of 5 Ford Escapes. Because the Ford Escape at least had a good start and slowly fell from grace, whereas Ford Maverick just fell flat on its face and made the entire truck community cringe worse than the Cybertruck. Now, if you hate Ford Maverick as much as I do, find the biggest sledgehammer you can find and smash that subscribe button, or else Old Riverman is gonna have to shotgun another ice-cold malt beverage. Ah, too late! And don't forget to hit the stupid little bell too, because we got new videos coming. And this is Rivertown Rejects. Come on, driver!